Alright, this video is for those of you who don't know how to use Adobe Photoshop or how to download it, because some students said they were unable to get it. Now, on the description of this video, you will see a link there, which is piratebay.com. When you click on that link, you fall on this website. Now, when you fall on this site, the simple thing you have to just do is to go to the search bar. You go to the search bar and you type Adobe Photoshop CS6. Click on pirate search. So when you fall on the section, you see all forms of Adobe Photoshop CS6 and all the rest. This one, you just click on the first one that you see here, 6486 gigabyte. Click on the video, the software, not on Windows, pardon. Click on the software. When it opens now, there is something you need to download this software. If it's in your computer, you need what we call Utorrent. So if I go to my search bar, for example, my Google search, I type Utorrent download free. Depending on the computer you're using, being Windows or MacBook, you just go to Utorrent download free, and the first link, you click and open it. Here you will see Utorrent. They will tell you to free download. As soon as you free download, install the Utorrent on your computer. Now when Utorrent has been installed, there is nothing else to do other than going back to the software. So when it opens here, after you must have installed Utorrent, don't click on this download. When you click on this download, it will take you to another section. All what you have to do is magnet. Utorrent will magnet it. If you click on magnet, what happens? My computer will ask me if I want to open Utorrent. I will click on open Utorrent. And when I click on open Utorrent, I wait. And Utorrent pops up. So when Utorrent pops up, they will tell me the area where I want to save the software. Yes, I want it to be there. Now you have to wait like for 5 to 10 seconds for Utorrent to grab everything that concerns that particular software inside it. The Photoshop CS6, you wait for it to grab the software. As soon as the software has been grabbed, you can click OK. At times you will see the files here, but not in MacBook. It does not always show this, since I'm using the Mac. But on Windows, you always see the files here. Ensure you saw the files before you click on OK. If not, cancel it and retry it again. So if I click now on OK, the download will start. So I just have to go to my Utorrent and open it. And here you see Adobe Photoshop being downloaded. The download starts soon. Now you have to right click on the download. You go to bandwidth and make sure you put it high. Also, when you come to the downer part here, select everything on the file section, right click on it, and you select, go to section of priority for Windows. You put high priority, so that way it makes the download to be faster. Alright, I'll just delete this one since it was just for teaching purpose. And that's all. And I will advise you to download it on a high connection. Ensure you have high internet. For us Cameroonians, that internet are disturbing. There is Nextel that gives 3 GB for 150 francs as from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. in the morning. So you can just wait patiently at that time. You set up your internet, set the download, then you go to bed. Before you get up in the morning, it will be done, because the software size is not that big. It's not that big. Maximum should be 1 point something gigabyte or 2 GB. So as soon as you set it, you can go to bed. From there now, I'll have to also show you or send you a video link on how to install the Adobe Photoshop, how to install and use it.